In Oklahoma, 54 degrees, a thunderstorm. In California, the National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for northern Los Angeles County in Southern California, Pacific County in western Washington, until 11:45 am Pacific Daylight Time. At 11 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated strong thunderstorms producing flooding in the warned area. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flooding by small creeks and streams, urban areas, streets, and underpasses, as well as poor drainage in low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Los Angeles and Pacific. Get to higher ground now. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. In Tennessee, partly cloudy, 91 degrees. Here is the alerts issued by the National Weather Service. Los Angeles County, flash flood warning. Pacific County, flash flood warning. Montgomery County, severe thunderstorm warning. Rutherford